A man and a dog. A woman and her dog.
I jumped off the bed. I'm going to jump off the bed.
He threw the ball. He's going to throw the ball.
She needs sunglasses. She needs soap. He needs a ladder. He needs a towel.
Excuse me, where is the grocery store?
The grocery store is near the bridge.
It's always cold here.
So in our last meeting, we agreed to send out coupons offering a free small cup of coffee with the purchase of one bakery item, like a cookie or a piece of cake.
That's right. But they left it up to us to decide how to put that into action. So the first question is, should we use email or standard mail?
Coupon.
A husband. Huz.
Hus.
Huz. Bund.
Bund.
Bund. Husband.
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 I'm practicing the violin inside.
I'm practicing the guitar outside.
I'm practicing soccer inside.
I'm practicing soccer outside.
What color flowers do you want?
I want red flowers.
I want red flowers.
How many do you want?
I want 35.
I want 35.
Driving. The man is driving. The small car is white, and the sky and the highway are black.
Driving. The man is driving. The small car is white, and the sky and the highway are black.
Your friends have invited you out to a restaurant to celebrate your birthday. You arrive at the restaurant.
We called a few days ago to reserve a table.
Could we have a table, please? We reserved a table this morning.
Could we have a table, please?
You're lucky. Some people have just called to cancel their reservation. Otherwise, the restaurant was full.
Yes, that's really good luck.
Please come this way. Will this be all right, here by the window?
That's perfect. What a great view. We would like to near the window.
Are we clear to test? You're good.
This is Shelley. Like other high-performance sports cars, it can traverse tough terrain, accelerate quickly, negotiate turns at high speeds. But Shelley does not need a driver.
In what city or country would you like to work? Record 3 or 4 sentences describing why.